Hi, everybody. Welcome to yet another session of Love Thy RCs. I know you love your RCs. I love the RCs. RCs love the RCs. We love RCs. Zabardast. कमांड ले लो RCs पे. 16 क्वेश्चंस होंगे RC में, एग्जाम में. 16 में से 12 तो कहीं नहीं है, पक्का बता रही हूँ. It'll just depend on how well you select your questions. And if you do these sessions with me, जिस पे मैं जान लगा रही हूँ मेहनत कर करके, 12 questions तो कहीं नहीं गए. Hopefully you will get them. You'll have to select the good questions. So you're learning this with me, how to select good questions. मैं बताती रहती हूँ कि भाई ये वाला तो मैं टेस्ट में छोड़ देती, या ये वाला तो मैं ज़रूर करती, है ना. ये छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स हैं, प्रैक्टिस सेशंस हैं ये मेरे साथ आपके. थोड़ा बहुत आरसी पे कमांड है मुझे, इसलिए आई कैन गाइड यू. सो प्लीज कीप लर्निंग एवरीबॉडी. स्टे पॉजिटिव. सब अच्छा होगा, भला होगा एंड में. चलिए आज दिखाती हूँ मैं क्या लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए. इट्स अ लवली वन. ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टेज द सेम. आई ऑलवेज से cat RC is not as hard as you think. Even if it's an alien looking passage, it's not something that should intimidate you. Because you're not going to read the entire passage. That's going to take a lot of time. पढ़ तो मैं भी लेती हूँ पूरे पैसेज को, लाइक if you give me something like 5 minutes 4 minutes, समझ में आ जाएगा मुझे. But then what's the point? That's the thing, na? You have to get the main idea. You have to get the passage flow. You have to map the passage, as I say. That means take control of the first line of every paragraph. That is called mapping. Main idea, then draw a line from here to second para, third para, fourth para, fifth para, ऐसा. That's called mapping. If you remember, बचपन में हम वो एक join the dots हुआ करता था, बुक्स में आता था, वो करते थे, बहुत मजेदार होता था, मुझे बहुत पसंद होता था. That is exactly what we need to do here. So map the passage, locate the zones, कहाँ कहाँ question set हो सकता है, मैं बताती रहती हूँ passages में. Pin the types of questions, कैसा कैसा question है, what is it asking, and then of course the famous elimination techniques. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये सब तो चलता रहता है ना, ये तो कॉमन सी बात है. What is this passage about? Human biology. कैपिटल में क्यों दिया है इसने? I don't know. Okay. मैंने पैसेज थोड़े लिखा है, कॉपी ही किया है कहीं से. All right. So human biology does nothing to structure human society. Passage is taken from a good source. That is what question setters do. पिंपल हो रहा है शायद यहाँ पे, एक चुभ रहा है. ओके, बाद में देखेंगे उसको. हाँ. So human biology. Okay, so passages are taken from a good source and then questions are made on that passage. Okay, so it does nothing to structure human society. Something on human biology. Okay, I assess the passage first. एक नजर डालती हूँ, तू भाई कैसा है, मेरे सामने बैठा है, तू कैसा है. फाइन डिटेल. ओके, कोई डेटा तो मुझे खास नहीं दिख रहा है. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ साइंटिफिक फिलोसफी टाइप दिख रहा है मुझे ये. आपको पता है ना, फिलोसफी इज समथिंग दैट ओवरलैप्स विथ ऑलमोस्ट एवरी अदर जॉनरा. सो ये वैसे ही दिख रहा है मुझे. इन्फ्लुएंशियल बॉडी ऑफ एनालिसिस. ओके, रोल्स. ओके, रोल्स. ऑलराइट, नहीं पता मुझे ये क्या है, देखेंगे अभी. So we have got this passage and there are I think 4 questions. All right. So चारों questions एक बार देखती हूँ मैं. ये this should happen like in just a few seconds. This happens with practice. You can't expect this कि 2-3 passages में you'll master this. No. So passage पे नजर डाली 3-4-5 seconds में, ठीक है. चलो 10 seconds ले लो, आप क्या याद करोगे. Then you go over to the questions. खाली ऐसे पलट के देखना है क्वेश्चंस किस तरह के, मुझे करने कौन से हैं. फटाफट रफ शीट ली, लेके लिख लिया. अभी देखो जैसे मैं दिखा रही हूँ. समराइजेस द कोर आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ द पैसेज. वो मेन आइडिया मैंने ना रफ शीट अपनी बनाई. कैट में आपको मिलती है रफ शीट, यू कैन टेक इट. हाँ, लिख लिया आपने फटाफट पैसेज 1 एंड काइंड ऑफ 1. हाँ, गुड. पैसेज 1 का क्वेश्चन 1 करना है मुझे. मेन आइडिया इज अमेजिंग. What can be inferred about the author's attitude toward the performance of social roles? Okay. Is it specific? कहीं एक जगह मिलेगा पैराग्राफ में या पूरा ओवरऑल है, ये भी हो सकता है. सो देखेंगे इसको मे बी लेटर. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. एग्जाम्पल्स वुड बेस्ट reinforce the main idea. Again connected to main idea. So this is an application question. Application question is what? Based on the main idea, they'll give you external 4 examples. You have to connect the main idea. You have to understand the main idea and then apply and come up with the correct analogy. Application or analogy इसको कहते हैं. Analogy is similarity. अभी आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे होता है, टेंशन ना लो. एप्लीकेशन क्वेश्चंस बहुत मस्त होते हैं. एंड दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू द मेन आइडिया. दैट मीन्स आप मेन आइडिया निकालो, 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएंगे एक ही झटके में. करेक्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इफ ट्रू वुड मोस्ट सीरियसली अंडरमाइन दिस इज वीकन the author's claim about the independence of social roles from biology, right? This is a lovely CR question because the main is given, because the claim is given in the question itself. You don't have to hunt for it. कभी भी ऐसा question देखो ना, author's claim, which claim? It's given here. Always try to do this question. Later रख लेना आप, चलेगा. Later means बाकी के 2-3 questions करके then you check this. तो अभी तो 2 questions are connected to main idea. This one is like a specific critical reasoning question because the claim is here. तो ये तो मैं करना चाहूंगी. So I'll just show you my preferred sequence. Okay, so you get an idea. Number 1, number 2, then I would like to go to this number 3. Why? Because it's specific. And then तब तक मुझे बहुत information मिल जाएगा passage से while I'm looking for like the other answers. So then I'll be in a position to do this. ये है मेरा sequence. Nobody is asking you to do 1, 2, 3, 4. तो मेरा जो ये है ना, इस पे मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी 1, 3, 4, 2 ऐसा. 2 तो इससे मुझे पता है कि 2 हो सकता है मैं छोड़ भी दूं, 4 हो सकता है मैं छोड़ भी दूं, बट 1 and 3 तो करूंगी. ये रफ शीट ले लिया करो, ठीक है, काम आता है ये. इट गिव्स मी क्लैरिटी एंड कंफर्ट कि हाँ मुझे पता है मुझे कौन से करने हैं. ये जो आपको दिखा रही हूँ ना असेसमेंट पैसेज का, ये हर पैसेज के जस्ट पहले किया करो. ऑलराइट. ऐसा नहीं कि चारों पैसेजेस के पहले ही आपने कर लिया, ऐसा नहीं. चारों पैसेजेस पे तो एक नजर डालो, एक नजर खाली. ऑलराइट. ऐसे एक नजर डाला आपने चारों पैसेजेस, अच्छा इसके क्वेश्चंस अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, इसके नहीं दिख रहे हैं, अच्छा ये ऐसा दिख रहा. ओके. रफ शीट में आपने लिख लिया पैसेज 4, 2, 1, 3 ऐसा करूंगी मैं पैसेजेस. अब पैसेज 4 उठाया मैंने, पैसेज 4 उठाया. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू काइंड ऑफ डू द असेसमेंट एंड चेक द क्वेश्चंस. This should take you 15 to 20 seconds. So whatever assessment I showed you, not more than 20 seconds. This comes with practice. Okay, chaliye, we need to check the main idea. We need to check what the passage is about. Let me just number the paragraphs for your convenience. We won't be able to do this numbering on the screen on the D-Day. ठीक है? 3, 4. ये बस अभी चूंकि हम अच्छे से करना चाह रहे हैं ना, तैयारी कर रहे हैं. 5. Beautiful. A typical cat passage with 5 paragraphs. 5 to 6 आते हैं. Okay, and about 550 to 600. 550 to 600 words, ये समझ लो. 650 तक भी उतना नहीं जाता है. Fine. First para, it's a little long. आप देखना अभी मैं बीच में यहाँ skim करूंगी. This is skimming. Generally, if the paragraph is short, I read it completely because it's the first para. अब आप खाली देखो कि मैं कैसे इसको handle करती हूँ. All right. And these days, like when I do these RC 100 वाला ना, I try my best not to read the passages beforehand. कर रही हूँ मैं ये just for your sake, so that you get that increased level of comfort कि हाँ मैम on the spot आप कैसे handle करेंगी ये passage. You will get to learn that, है ना. तो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखा है मैंने passage. I know I have copied it from somewhere. Questions मैंने बना के उसमें कुछ डाले हैं, कुछ थे, right? It's from a very good source. But अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है इसमें passage में ऐसा कि that will help me. So on the spot I'm showing you how to handle it. Fine. The fine detail of what is expected of a mother or a father or a dutiful son differs from culture to culture. Expected. Fine. अच्छा क्या कह रहा है ये? Expected of me, I'm a mother. What? But everywhere behavior is coordinated by the reciprocal nature of roles. Everywhere. काफी strong assertion है. Behavior is coordinated by the reciprocal nature. What is reciprocal? मैं तुमको तुम मुझे ऐसा. Give and take. है ना? Husbands and wives, parents and children, employees and employees, waiters, customers, blah 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 blah. अब देखो ऐसी होती है मेरी skimming. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Colon. Pause, because there's the important point. Each makes sense only in its relation to the other. A very strong statement. Mother and children, husband and wife, teachers and pupils, warlords and followers, जिसका भी बोला उसने, only in relation to the other. Reciprocal उसको कहते हैं. Okay, you can get a question from here. What does the author mean by reciprocal? Meaning is given here. Right. The term role is an appropriate one. Role. Inverted mein. It's very important. Role. The term role, air brackets. Why is it an appropriate one? Because the metaphor of कैसा ये है क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे the term role is an appropriate one ये क्यों चाहिए the term role is an appropriate one because the metaphor of an actor in a play neatly expresses the rule governed nature or scripted nature of much of social life and the sense that society is joint production. Oh bhai saab, he is connecting society. I mean, he is comparing society with social life with production, with acting on stage. And he says we are doing, all of us are performing a role. Okay. Social life occurs only because people play their parts. All right. And those parts make sense. Context of the overall show. समझ में आ गया ये. The drama metaphor also reminds us artistic license. Okay, we can play a straight part. Okay, finished. After reading the first para, I pause for like 5 seconds. क्या कहना चाह रहा है ये? Human beings, actors, performing roles, reciprocal. And he says context of the overall show. We are part of the overall show. Those parts make sense only in the context of the overall show, right? We can play a part straight or as the following from J.P. Satra conveys, we can ham it up. नहीं भी उतना ध्यान दो तो चलेगा यहाँ पर, but समझ में आ गया क्या कह रहा है, मुद्दा क्या है. The first para is the jaan of the passage. Okay. इसके बाद just for a second I think कि क्या अच्छा पूरे में ना now he's going to explain how कैसे how different roles are there and how like the society, the social roles are on a stage and ये दुनिया, वो कुछ है ना कुछ dialogues, ये दुनिया एक मंच है, हम कठपुतली हैं, something. Okay. Watch me now. Let us consider this waiter in the cafe. नहीं पढ़ना मुझे. Waiter in the cafe बोल रहा है for what? He is elucidating his earlier made point that we all are playing certain roles. If there is a question on this waiter, I'll come back. Correct. His movement is quick and forward. Okay, finished. Something, his eyes, अब देखो कैसे skim कर रही हूँ. These are the technical parts, the detailing out. क्यों पढ़ना है भाई? क्या कर रहा है वो waiter? क्यों पढ़ना है? Why? Why is he doing that? Finally, solicitous, okay, finally. There he returns trying to okay, something. This is important. Either the first line of the para or the last line. यही तो important. असल होगा ना? So, all his behavior seems to us a game. But what is he playing? Question. We need not watch long before we can explain it. Colon, bhaiye, he is playing at being waiter in a cafe role. Main idea, and this is connecting to the main idea. Skim करके निकल लिया आराम से. So if you read it properly word for word, it's going to take you not 4, chalo I would say 90 seconds or so for you to read this paragraph and understand. और अगर ऐसे skim करके निकले जैसे मैंने बताया तो within 10 to 12 seconds you can move out. You are saving time. The American sociologist Goffman. Why is the author bringing in Goffman? Not to discuss something about the shop across the street, not to discuss something about how humans go to heaven, die and go to heaven. No. Goffman hai, must be connected to something, social roles, societal roles. सोशोलॉजिस्ट आ गया ना, सोशोलॉजिस्ट। Built an influential body of social analysis, metaphor, same point, social life as drama। इतना रिटेन करते करते आगे बढ़ते रहो। Perhaps okay, okay, something we will, ठीक है, okay, जाने दो। गॉफमैन पे अगर पूछेगा ना तो मैं आ जाऊंगी पैराग्राफ पे, नहीं पढ़ रही अभी मैं। But I know that it's again connected to social life as drama. This is the 5th para. I'm going to read it and it's a short para. जरूर से पढ़ूंगी in order to sum everything up. There is distinction between the roles we play and some underlying self. Now he comes to one nice mudda. Roles we play as part of a society, as part of a family, and some underlying self, mera inner self, may be different from what I am projecting. सब रिलेट कर सकते हैं ना। Here we might note that some roles are more absorbing than others. We would not be surprised by the waitress, waiter, waitress, अच्छा कुछ पूछेगा तो देखेंगे, who plays the part in such a way signals she is much more than her occupation. We would be surprised and offended. Waitress and father, कुछ कुछ examples दिया है यहाँ पे, question हो सकता है, why does the author use the examples of the waitress and father in the last para, ऐसा होता है question. So यहाँ दोनों का क्या कह रहा है, waitress okay something occupation, all right, waitress occupation something, I'm sorry about that, I had forgotten to put it on silent, excuse me. More than her occupation, we would be surprised and offended by the father who played his part tongue in cheek. You should know the meaning of tongue in cheek, वो भी inverted में, surprised and offended का क्या मतलब है? Okay, question तो आएगा हर हाल में। Some roles are broader and some roles are broader and more far-reaching than others. Roles, but यहाँ पे दोनों का distinction बोला है, societal roles and our underlying self, इसने जो बताया है। Then he talks about waitress and father, and then he says some roles are broader and more far-reaching, describing someone as a clergyman, that's related to church, or faith healer. Some people are there na, who heal others, would say far more about that person than describing someone as a bus driver. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं भी समझ में आया अगर, because this is philosophical connection with sociology, don't worry. Roles, social roles, something, and waiter, waitress, father, okay, clergyman, parish, something, blah blah blah. Right? Go back quickly and check कि भाई layout क्या है passage का. Human biology does nothing to structure. अब तो ये और ज्यादा समझ आ रहा है, राइट? ये देखो यार, हमने ये नहीं पढ़ा था, राइट? अरे तेरी, differs from culture to culture. नहीं, कर लिया था, sorry. I thought like, for a moment I was shocked. Okay. So, okay. But adoption, yeah, hang in there. I'm sorry. Actually, the first para we had missed. We started reading from here. That was the second one, right? So I'm just going to quickly give it to you over here. So आप भी उसको ले लो. Just take it in your stride. Human biology. अभी मैंने देखा तो मुझे याद है कि तो हमने छोड़ दिया था. So human biology does nothing to structure human society. This is an assertion. Age may enfeeble us. Cultures vary considerably. Giving birth is a necessary condition for being a mother, but it is not sufficient. Cool. Done. Right? So this para is the most important para, and यहाँ पे this was just the detail, और इसको तो हमने वैसे भी skim किया है, right? Now I'll give you something very clearly जो मुझे दिख रहा है. He starts with biology, society, roles. Then he goes to specific roles of mother, father, dutiful son, husband, wife, jo kuch bhi, and role he talks about, right? And then he compares society with stage. We are all doing a drama, something, right? Then waiter ka pura paragraph is about the waiter, and then he gives the conclusion here. American sociologist Goffman ka hai, and then in the end he talks about something like, underlying self se different hai hamara societal role. Right? We understood this. Let's go back to the first para since we had missed it in the beginning. So now we are going to read it together because this is the jaan of the passage. Okay? So human biology does nothing to structure human society. This is what our author believes in, कि biology and genes या जो कुछ भी है, it does nothing. Look at this extreme word. Human society, no. So everything is environment affected, right? Age may enfeeble us all, it may weaken us, but cultures, okay, prestige, all right. Giving birth is a necessary condition for being a mother. All right, I need to give birth to be a mother, but it's not sufficient. You need to play a role in the society, in the family, in order to prove that you're a mother. नहीं पढ़ा मैंने, but ये फ्लो में निकल रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है, ठीक है. We expect mothers to behave in certain ways. Oh, this is not how a mother should behave. So, maternal ways, and to display appropriately this. We prescribe rules, okay, okay. So, just because you gave birth doesn't mean that you're a good mother. You have to play certain roles. Now, I have always taught you this, that the last 3 lines of the para contain the main idea. Correct? That the social role is independent of the biological base. Oh, social role is independent of the biological base. Can be demonstrated by going back 3 sentences. Yeah. Giving birth is not sufficient to be a mother, but as adoption and fostering show it is not even necessary. Adoption, fostering, surrogacy, ये सब आ गया है, so it's not even necessary for a person to give birth to be a mother, right? But here the author has said, more important than giving birth is like, the role that you play as a mother in the society. So, and he starts with this strong assertion, that is the most important part, plus यहाँ 3 lines जो होते हैं. ठीक है, we get it. The whole passage is very clear. He's talking about roles, 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 and he believes that biology does nothing to shape society, to structure human society. Correct? ये हो गया इसका clear. We go over to the questions now. Main idea, core argument. Is he giving a suggestion in the end? Nothing of that sort. He just talks about something in the end. There's a distinction between the roles we play and the underlying self. Clear? Let's check the options once and then go back if it is needed. चलिए अब आप पढ़ लीजिए. Go with elimination, guys. I'm telling you. We know the assertion in the first para, and then we know, अभी यहाँ पे जैसे I'll take you back to this page. If I have to come up with this, who's the hero of the passage, or what is the hero of the passage? Something like, roles, right? Societal roles, right? What is the angle or the main idea? Let me just throw in some words. Just say, biology doesn't structure society. The first line was very strong. So we have roles, distinct, right? Self, different from roles. I'm giving you the points only from the first and last para. ये मेरा ऐसा आया, roughly main idea. Okay. There is no recommendation here, so nothing to kind of include as such. ठीक है, चलिए अब हम इसके basis पे eliminate खेलेंगे. I'm sure you've taken a look at this, right? So my first elimination is C. The metaphor of drama, correct? It's a metaphor. Life is a drama, societal role is a drama, is used to mock the artificiality of social roles and to highlight the absurdity of individuals conforming to them. This is strong language. Okay, so with practice, you understand what strong language is. Eliminate it. Okay, while some roles are flexible, most demand strict conformity and leave individuals little room for creative interpretation or resistance. Is this the main idea as such? Moreover, there is a red flag here. Red flag is what? Some hasty generalization word. How do you know most? Many, most, all, none, never. ऐसा. So, while some roles are flexible, most demand strict conformity, you have to obey and leave individuals little room for creative interpretation. Maybe this is mentioned in some para, in one thread, but is this your main idea? Is this the mudda? Is this what he's discussing in the first and last para? Not exactly. So I'm left with A and B. A and B में अब आप check करो the difference between the two. Social roles, though varying across cultures, okay, roles, good, are tightly scripted expectations that override personal traits and suppress individuality. Do you see the language? Right? So, मुझे जो दिख रहा है वो मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. Though varying across cultures, social roles अच्छा है. Varying across cultures, ठीक है, ये भी सही है. Are tightly scripted expectations that override personal traits and suppress individuality. Last para में अगर हम जाते भी हैं तो ये बोला है there is a distinction between the roles we play and some underlying self. Here we might note some roles are more absorbing, surprised by the waitress, father, okay. यहाँ जो भी examples दिया है, it doesn't show that it suppresses individuality. So that kind of rings a warning bell. I like B, so let me try to prove B and see if it fits the bill. Human social behavior is structured. Social behavior, society, roles, that's what he has discussed. Not by biology, first statement, but by culturally mediated roles, bola hai usne, culture, society, okay, which are enacted like performances in a shared social drama. Social drama bhi aa gaya, world stage bhi aa gaya, metaphor aa gaya, right? So this is connected to the main, this is like proper main idea, right? Now we know what the main idea is. It's not connected with biology, not structured by biology, culturally mediated roles and world ka social drama stage, etc. Let's go straight to question 3. Which of the following would best reinforce the main idea of the passage? Reinforce, okay? Application. कैसे पता चला मुझे application है? Software engineer, political leader, teacher and actor. ये पहचान लो आप ये ऐसा analogy question के options होते हैं. Okay. So, a software engineer who invents a programming language but dislikes being called a techie. We were discussing roles not governed by biology but by the social roles. Okay, that is how we humans are. Okay, so a software engineer who invents a programming language but dislikes being called a techie. Like, dislike, okay. A political leader who insists on being treated like a regular citizen in public spaces. Fine. A teacher who exaggerates mannerisms in class to command attention but behaves casually at home. Okay. An actor who immerses themselves so deeply in a role that they lose touch with their personal identity. सबसे पहला जो मुझे दिख रहा है, extreme. Lose touch with their personal identity. Does the last paragraph say that the individuality gets suppressed? In the previous question, we eliminated one option because of that. Individuality gets suppressed. No, he doesn't say that. He says they are distinct. What you do as part of the family and society may be different from what you are in person. Right? So they lose touch with their personal identity is kind of extreme. Eliminated. Now, next elimination I am looking for. So a software engineer who invents a programming language but dislikes being called a techie. All right. Role hai yahan. Treat it regular citizen. So this we can eliminate. Who invents this? So he doesn't like being called a techie. Okay. So उसका individual self role ऐसा such contrast में नहीं आ रहा है, conflict भी नहीं है, nothing of that sort. He dislikes being called a techie, but that's more like preference. What he likes, what he dislikes. Okay, it's not exactly connected to what role he's playing somewhere. In order for this sentence, this option to be correct, it should have read like this. A software engineer who invents a programming language and behaves like a techie among his peers, but is a very different person when he is all by himself. That could have been the answer. Okay? So this gets eliminated. Now between B and C, you can see. कौन सा ज़्यादा role दिखा रहा है? Role is something he says that is different. that is different from what you actually are. It may be different, okay? So a political leader who insists on being treated like a regular citizen, a teacher who exaggerates mannerisms. Exaggerate का मतलब यहाँ पे negative नहीं हुआ. Exaggerates mannerisms means जैसे in order to kind of make the students understand, the teacher kind of does something extra to command attention, but behaves casually at home. So I'll take you back and I'll show you. चलो अब आप यहाँ देख लो. We expect mothers to behave in maternal ways and to display appropriately maternal sentiments. We prescribe a clutch of norms or rules that govern the role of a mother. Social role is independent of the biological base, can be demonstrated by going back 3 sentences. This is what his claim is. Social role is independent of the biological base. I may be a different person, but I have to fit in a certain role in the society. So if you go by that, obviously C should be your answer. Exaggerates mannerisms, different portray kar rahi hai, but when she's like, she's at home, she behaves casually, she doesn't have those mannerisms. Maybe among all the students, she tries to be an extrovert, but maybe she's an ambivert when she's at home. Kuch bhi aisa ho sakta hai, right? So anyway, this is better than B. Why not B? Political leader who insists on being treated like this. Again, this is a choice. ये दिख रहा है, ये choice. He prefers, he wants to be treated like that. No. यहाँ ये कह रहा है कि like she has to fit in. She has to do that. ऐसा, right? So we are done with this. Now, weaken the author's claim about the independence of social roles from biology. In such questions, you don't even need to go back and kind of worry about it. अब देखो यहाँ पे कैसा है. We know from the first para that there is a claim. Biologically, it's like independent. Independent of biology, all right. So यहाँ ये कह रहा है undermine the author's claim about the independence of social roles from biology. So weaken करने का क्या मतलब हुआ? We have to say it is not independent of biology. That means it is connected to biology. Whatever social roles you're performing, that is biologically connected. Right? यही proof करना है हमें, यही बोलना है. Go down and look for a sentence, look for an option ऐसा. Studies show that maternal behavior is biologically hardwired. Maternal behavior, मम्मी का, ठीक है? Biologically hardwired and observable across mammalian species including humans. ये कह रहा है independence of social roles from biology. ये कह रहा है maternal behavior that is connected to social role is biologically hardwired, means it is totally directly connected to biology and observable across all mammalian species including humans. तो ये तो ठीक लग रहा है मुझे कि हाँ ये weaken कर रहा है उसको. Let's check the others. Cultural variations exist in what is considered maternal, but the biological experience is universally significant, right? This says biological experience. It's talking about biological experience of childbirth. That उसने बोला it's not enough to give birth. So this is taking you to that point of giving birth, not the role. Are you getting it? So in order for B to be correct, आपका claim होना चाहिए था child giving birth वाला जो experience है ना, experience of childbirth या child क्या बोलेंगे उसको, I'm just not able to remember that word. So anyway, the experience of giving birth to a child is different, culturally variable, it's culturally different. कुछ इस तरह का होता ना, तब आपका आंसर ये हो सकता था. But the biological experience is universally significant. Or the claim could have been that giving birth to children is valued differently across different cultures. This could have been the answer. But आपका claim तो ये है ना भाई कि no, child birth से connected नहीं, it's the role. That is, roles are independent of biology. हम जो role perform कर रहे हैं, that has nothing to do with the kind of person I am. Right? I may be, I'm trying to be a good educator. I may not be an extrovert, but because I have to earn money that way, because I have to impress the students, I have to teach the students, maybe I'm behaving that way. So, right? This is what he's saying. So, यहाँ पे cultural variations exist, maternal, biological. This doesn't exactly weaken the claim. Even in claim तो यहाँ दे रखा है ना. Even in societies with strong cultural scripts, individuals often struggle to embody roles due to internal conflicts and mental health issues. Embody roles, इसने कहा है, they struggle to, यहाँ variations है, different strong cultural scripts है. They struggle to embody roles, internal conflicts. Does this weaken the claim that it's independent of biology? नो नॉट एग्जैक्टली. ये तो पूरा आपका सोसाइटल और रोल की ही बात कर रहा है. वेयर इज द बायोलॉजिकल पार्ट तो है ही नहीं ना. एलिमिनेटेड. सो इट्स बिटवीन ए एंड डी. व्हाट डज डी से? Research indicates that societies are increasingly moving away from rigid roles and toward fluid. Again, ये और ये, C and D. Where is the biological part? कैसे weaken कर रहे हो? If you say here independent of biology, you have to prove, you have to come up with some option that says it is connected with biology, or whatever roles I perform as a grown up in the society stems from my characteristic as a person, stems from my innate nature as a person, stems from my genetic disposition as a person. You're getting it? कुछ तो इस तरह का होना चाहिए, right? तो कनेक्शन तब वीकन होगा उसका. So between A and B, obviously the one that is, A and B, but हाँ, right, बाकी सभी eliminate हो रहे हैं इसमें. This is the only one actually that connects, that kind of weakens this by saying biologically hardwired, connected directly with biology, your genetic, your inherent, what inherently whatever you are, and observable across सिर्फ एक में नहीं, all mammalian species including humans. ठीक है? So this was also a very good question, a doable question. We go over to the last one. ये था नहीं, second, हाँ, right, this one. What can be inferred about the author's attitude toward the performance of social roles? Okay. I don't know कहां पर से उठाया है. पहले तो ये सोचने में टाइम लगेगा. Don't waste your time. Go down and read the options. Best है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. तो मुझे अगर लग रहा है कि मुझे नहीं पता है कहां पर से उठाया है ये पूरे पैसेज में ही तो बोल रहा है performance of social roles. But this is an author's attitude का question. ये भी तो समझो. Attitude is similar, something connected to tone. Quickly go down and check the options. Believes, views, admires, suggests. इसमें एलिमिनेशन भी तो खेल सकते हैं. थोड़ा बहुत तो हो ही जाएगा. The author admires roles. Okay, performance of social roles. यार performance of social roles में हमने जितना भी पढ़ा, did the author admire? कहीं भी ऐसा मुझे जो फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ा मुझे तो नहीं लगा कहीं भी. So admires roles that blur the boundary between identity, such as clergy and faith healers. Clergy and faith healers. Boundary between this. Clergy and faith healers तो attractive word खाली उठाया है यहाँ से. I'll take you back to this para. Clergy and faith healers का पढ़ लो क्या बोला है यहाँ. Some roles are broader and more far-reaching than others. Right? Broader and more far-reaching means if you describe somebody as a clergy man, God का बंदा है ये, or faith healer, would say far more about that person during the day, or like in part time में वो he may be a bus driver, okay, or part time में he may be a faith healer, कुछ भी. But if you describe a person as a clergy man or faith healer, that is his role in the society, that would be more far reaching and more impressive than when you say, oh, he's a bus driver. बस ये इसलिए बताया है इसने. That doesn't mean, कहाँ गया ये, हाँ, the author admires roles that blur the boundary, ये भी तो language देखो, between identity and performance, such as clergy and faith healers. बकवास. Right? The author suggests that only those who play naturally without theatrical exaggeration are perceived as authentic. कुछ बोला है इसने ऐसा? उसने तो यही दिखाया है कि exaggeration देखो, theatrical exaggeration ना. I'll show you. यहाँ ये देखो, क्विक एंड फॉरवर्ड, patrons okay, eagerly, finally there is this, behavior is a game. But is he criticizing him? No, he is not. तो ऐसा थोड़ी कह रहा है कि only like people who are doing it without theatrical exaggeration are perceived as authentic. Nothing of that sort. So this is eliminated. It's between A and B. Go ahead now, you check while I wait. Look at the language. है ना? So the author believes social roles are inescapable and ultimately hollow, limiting personal authenticity. Right? Okay. Correct. The author views roles as necessary for social coordination, but recognizes the potential for conscious improvisation within them. Improvisation has nothing to do with improvement. Conscious improvisation, improvisation is on the spot. Extempore जिसको बोलते हैं ना. So potential for conscious improvisation, in case you're wondering कि भाई कहाँ है conscious improvisation का जिक्र किया हुआ. Social coordination ये तो correct है, ये तो आप agree कर रहे हो, necessary for social coordination, okay. Conscious improvisation जाकर के prove करो. That is what we do when we are left with two choices. ठीक है. Role is an appropriate one. ये तो mother father वाला main idea वाले में मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है. Yeah. We expect mothers to behave in this, prescribe, okay, that the social role is independent of this, demonstrated by going back, all right, not even necessary. Okay, and then occurs only because people play their parts, right? Sense only in the context of the overall show, the drama metaphor, all right. Okay, ye dekho, ye, right, we get it. Yeah, we can ham it up. We can play a part straight, the way it has been prescribed for us, the way it has been given to us. Or we can ham it up. We can do it the way we feel correct, right at the juncture, right in that situation. We can do it the way we want. That is exactly what he has said here, right? But recognizes the potential for conscious improvisation within them. So that is when he's talking about the roles, right? So ये चार questions में if you ask me the best ones, दोनों main idea questions बहुत अच्छे थे. ये चौथा वाला ना, ये attitude वाला, अगर आपको ये नहीं भी हो पा रहा है तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है elimination से हो जाएगा. नहीं हो पा रहा है, दो में फंस रहे हो, एक को लो जाके prove करो. वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है, छोड़ दो एक को. किसी ने नहीं बोला ना चारों के चारों करना है. ठीक है. Alright guys, I hope this is clear. BBCA, right? Okay. Cool. We've got other products. आपको ये दिखा रही हूँ मैं, VRC Essentials, LRDI Essentials, ये सब हमारा like we give these out as part of our subscriptions. So go ahead, come over to the platform, become a part of the, what should I say, jump on the bandwagon, prepare with us, okay? And I don't think you're going to regret it. चलिए. Thank you so much guys. I'm going to see you again very soon.
आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. अब मैं आपको एक शॉकिंग फैक्ट बताता हूँ. ये डेटा जो आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो कर रहा है कि iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल के 60% व्यूअर्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. सब्सक्राइब ना करने का रीजन ये हो सकता है कि यार एनीवे जो ब्राउज फीड है उस पर तो वीडियो आ ही जाता है, बट सब्सक्राइब क्यों करना चाहिए वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल का अगर आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन देखोगे, यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी यूजफुल प्लेलिस्ट मिलेंगी. अगर आपका अरिथमेटिक वीक है तो ये आप अरिथमेटिक प्लेलिस्ट यहाँ पे चेकआउट कर सकते हो. ज्योमेट्री वीक है तो ज्योमेट्री प्लेलिस्ट चेकआउट कर सकते हो. एल्जेब्रा में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो एल्जेब्रा प्लेलिस्ट. एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस, अभी करंटली जो प्लेलिस्ट चल रहा है वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 200 क्वेश्चंस का एंड RC 100 वाला प्लेलिस्ट जो शबाना मैम का है. ये सारे जो प्लेलिस्ट के वीडियोस होते हैं इन पे उतने ज्यादा व्यूज नहीं होते बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जो पढ़ने वाली जनता है वो बहुत कम है. बट अगर आप उनमें से एक हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. रेगुलर बेस पे इन प्लेलिस्ट का वीडियो आता रहता है, आपकी फीड में आपको सबसे पहले दिखेगा. एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस, अब जो आने वाला टाइम है उसमें आपका कैट का फॉर्म आएगा, देन डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म आएंगे, अलग अलग तरीके के नोटिफिकेशन आएंगे. जैसे ही कोई अपडेट कैट 25 से रिलेटेड आता है, सबसे पहले वो अपडेट आपको iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल पर मिलने वाला है. तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल.